Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Here we've got developer options, so simply enter, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, then no worries, just find our video tutorial of how to enable developer options and simply go back to this tutorial. So if you are in the developer options, all you have to do is simply find the option which is automatic system updates. Right now it is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.